And I was like, go on then. So she, hi, this is Noble Unplugged. I'm Erwin, and this is Sarah.
Hello, it's me, and we're going to start this year off with a massive bang. We've got 2 international artists this month. Wowee!
Yeah, big time. I'm going to be going teeth to teeth with Southern California's finest. I'm talking Tori Kelly. Wow. That's right, in the Sushi Challenge.
And I'm going to be talking to Sweden's finest, Andreas Mo. So that means we've got a battle of the countries going on.
Yeah.
Who is going to win?
Sometimes I just want somebody to hold, someone to give me the jacket when it's cold. Got the young love even when we're old.
Lay down, lay your heart on mine now. Breathe, breathe with me. Now I know just what I didn't know many moons ago.